Welcome back to Front End Friday. No, not that kind of front end. Front end rebuild. So I've got everything out of the car now. Lower control arms are being, the bushings are being pressed in the machine shop. And I have fully populated upper control arms, so I don't have to worry about any of that. I have everything out, and I always do a thorough cleaning with a screwdriver, scrape up into the frames here, up into the frame rail. I always clean all that out in there because a lot of debris builds up in there, and it can cause rust if you leave it in there. So I scrape it out with a scraper, screwdriver, whatever you need to do, and vacuum it out. Now here's one little tricky part, and I don't know if it's a design flaw or why they did this, but they put a hole in the top of the frame so it can collect all the debris down in there. And what they did in this area here right behind the brake line, they boxed it in internally. If you look in the torsion bar cross members, you'll see some of the internal boxing that they did to strengthen it. But they also did it here, but underneath they never put a drain hole. So all this debris from this hole up here goes down the drain and collects into the box and just sits there. So if you ever see frame rot right around this brake line support here, that's why. So what I do is you have to get a little hose, like a fuel line in there, and you can stick a screwdriver down in there to loosen up all the dirt and debris, and then just put a like fuel line size hose down there and connect it to your vacuum and then suck out whatever you can. You're not going to get every little bit, but you get more than would lay in there, so that way when water gets down there it won't soak it up and rust out your frame. So this is the cleaning phase, and I should be getting the parts back pretty soon, and I'll do the reassembly, and that's it for this installation of Front End Friday.